养生的。Hi, welcome to Zuzanvina EV charging station manufacturing. Yeah, our factory mainly produce for European and North American markets. We have two standards. Number one is the European standard, the Type 2. Yeah, our factory got the TUV, CE, UKCA, CB certification, and also for Australia market. Yeah, we have totally 4 different kinds of products. Number one, EV charging station. We have from 3.5 kW, 7 kW, 11 kW, and 22 kW. And also, number two, we have the portable EV charging station. Yeah, our portable EV charging station also have 3.5 to 22 kW. But the most popular is 3.5 to 7 kW, like this. This is a 7 kW. Yeah, good news. Our Type 2 to Type 2 EV charging cables are very popular because we have fully certificate for them. See, this is our Type 2 to Type 2 cable. And also, we have different color, purple color, gray color, black color, red color, white color. Actually, we also have blue color, green color, and orange color. So any color you want, we can do OEM, ODM for you. Number 4 product is the EV charging adapters. The most popular is Type 1 to Tesla, Type 2 to Tesla, and also CCS1 to Tesla, and also CCS2 to Tesla. Yeah, Type 1, Type 2, Tesla, any converter we have, you want, we can supply to you. Common inquiry from me, EV charging cable, EV charging adapter, EV charging station, anyone you want, we can serve to you. Best price, best quality, and fully certified.